face, Hasan al-Khalq, beautifully created. Lam ta'ihu sajda, his belly wasn't protruding. Walam tusbi bihi sajda, nor was his head disproportionate and delicate. Wasimun qasim, proportionate and delicate, finely made a specimen of a creation. In his eyes there was a contrast. The dark was immensely dark and the white was excessively white. His eyelashes were long. And his voice was a natural echo. And his neck was elegantly long. And his beard was full and thick. His eyebrows were right, but they were not joined, it was separated. وَإِنْ صَمَتْ فَعَلَيْهِ الْوَقَارِ, when he was silent, dignity covered him. وَإِنْ تَكَلَّمَ سَمَاهُ عَلَاهُ الْبَهَاءِ, and when he spoke, it was audible and clear, almost commanding in overtaking. أَجْمَلَ النَّاسِ وَأَبْهَاهُمْ مِنْ بَعِيدٍ, from afar, the most striking in outstanding in appearance. وَأَحْسَنُهُمْ وَأَجْمَلُهُم مِنْ قَرِيبٍ, when he came near, the best of them and the most handsome of them, closeness. Hulbul mantiq, so such an exalted and sweet level of logic. Like when he used to speak, it was correct logical, it was smooth and easy to understand. Fasdullah nadrun wala hadrun, he was to the point, not too excessive, not too short. His logic, his utterance, his words were like jewels coming out of a necklace, calculated, polished one after the other, it would flow magically. He was medium in height. Your eye did not have to straight up to look at him, nor was it tedious to look down at him. He was a comfortable sight to look at. He had friends, the people who were working around him. They were working around him to try to serve and protect him. When he used to say something, they used to hearken to what he used to say. وَإِنْ أَمَرَ تَبَادَهُ إِلَىٰ أَمْرِهِ, and when he commanded, they used to compete to fulfill the command. This is Muhammad Rasulullah. This is Muhammad Rasulullah. Anas ibn Malik says, he says, I came out one night. It was the full moon night, and I look at the moon. In the desert, understand the moon is an awesome sight. It is clear, it is radious, it is smooth, it is gentle compared to the scorching sun that they are used to. So the moon was epitome of beauty. So he said, I came out in the full moon night and I looked at the moon. I saw it beautiful, handsome. So I said, let me go see if the moon is more handsome or my prophet is more handsome. Let me see if the moon is more beautiful or my prophet is more beautiful. So he said, I went and I saw him standing afar. So I look at his face, then I look at the moon, and I look at his face, and I look at the moon, and I look at his face, and I look at the moon, and he said, Wallahi, he was more beautiful than the moon in entirety. That is the appearance of our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.